Hello, SV Seeker crew. My name is Lloyd. Does this look familiar? This pontoon boat belonged to a gentleman named Doug Jackson down in Tulsa, Oklahoma. His channel is SV Seeker, as you all know. Him and I did a little horse trading this weekend, and I had something he wanted. He had this. I gotta say, I'm excited about it. I am going to tear it completely apart. Every bolt comes out of it, every nail comes out of it, everything comes off this thing, and I'm going to redo it from the ground up. I gotta say, I don't know who got the better deal here. I know I am extremely happy, and I hope Doug is too. If you guys want to follow along with me and with the boat and let me show you guys how I tear this down, the link to my YouTube channel is right there on the bottom. Please come over and check it out. Watch the progress on the boat, and we'll just go from there and see what happens. I'm excited about it. All right, we'll catch y'all soon.